Free tools for growing your YouTube channel. There are some essential tools that you can use to grow your YouTube channel, and the good news is that they are all free. Most of them are easy to use and the benefits are pretty obvious. Let's take a look at some of the best free tools. TubeBuddy. The major benefit of using TubeBuddy is that it will save you a lot of time. It also provides you with some great pointers to really grow your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy is a browser app which works with the most commonly used browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. When you use TubeBuddy, you will find that it has dozens of useful features from checking the SEO optimization of your videos to helping you promote your channel. There are comprehensive training videos available that explain everything really well. You can literally save hours each week with this app. You can do a great deal with the free version of TubeBuddy, and we suggest that you start with this. If you want more features, then there is a Pro package available for $9 a month, a Star package for $19 a month, and a Legend package for $49 a month. YouTube Creator Studio. This is another free app which is great for checking the performance of your channel and videos on the go. You can use it on your iPhone by downloading it here and your Android phone by downloading here. You can't actually manage your videos with this app, but you can do everything else. It is great for finding out just how well your videos are performing, as well as look at the overall performance of your channel wherever you are. There is a filter feature where you can respond to comments and create that essential connection with your viewers. This alone makes the app worth installing on your smartphone. Buffer.com. We explained to you in the previous video that using social media to grow your YouTube channel and vlog is highly recommended. To help you share your videos on social media platforms, the Buffer app is a really great tool. With Buffer, you can schedule and post your content on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. There is one simple dashboard for managing everything. The free Buffer plan is for a maximum of 3 social accounts, and you can schedule 10 posts a month as a single user. If you have more than 3 social accounts or plan to make more than 10 posts a month, then there are premium plans you can go for starting at $15 a month. Whatever plan you choose, you will save a lot of time if you use Buffer to schedule your posts. There is a browser extension that you can use to post content automatically to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Audio Hero. It can be a real challenge to find great royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. Audio Hero makes finding great music and sound effects for your videos really easy. There's a huge library of more than 250,000 music clips and sound effects to choose from, so you should never have any difficulty finding what you want. Although the Audio Hero app is free, to use the soundtracks you will have to pay a small fee. This is a lot better than running the risk of infringing copyright and even having your videos removed. At the time of writing, you can purchase 50 downloads of royalty-free music clips or sound effects for only $9.99. Snappa. Creating your own graphics or finding a good and reliable graphic designer can be a real headache. You know that you need high-quality graphics to grow your YouTube channel, so what do? Just use Snappa, of course. There are a lot of pre-made templates you can use in Snappa. You can use Snappa easily to create your initial channel art, and then for really attractive video thumbnails as you upload your videos. It is really important that your thumbnails look great. This can literally mean the difference between somebody watching your video and someone else's. The free version has 5,000 templates, and you can create 5 graphics a month. If you want more, then plans start at $10 a month. Repost for Instagram. Repost for Instagram is another useful app for your iPhone and Android phone. Get the Android version here and the iPhone version here. We cannot recommend Instagram highly enough as a great social platform to promote your vlog. It has a huge user base that is growing all the time. When you have the Repost for Instagram app, you will be able to repost videos or images that your followers shared. You can actually include the username of the person that shared the content, highly recommended, so that they get credit and your followers can easily check them out.